guys, Christy here, and welcome to my channel at Edder Creations. And I'm excited to do this video because today I'm going to be talking about a system that I have plugged into called Sparky AI. And basically what this is, it's an automated duplication system, and it's amazing because it uses the power of AI and combines that with lead generation, affiliate marketing, and network marketing. So I'll just go over some of the bullet points or some of the main points about it, and then I'll probably do a separate video. So basically, and I'll link this below so that you can take a look at this page. This is a 3-minute overview of what this is. You can see our little friend there, Sparky AI. It says here, tired of chasing leads, automate your network marketing business. So that's what this talks about here. And I'll show you a little bit inside my dashboard, but I just wanted to share a few of the points here. When it comes to, especially in network marketing, you have to constantly be finding leads, and you're going to go through your warm market pretty quickly. And so this overcomes that obstacle with growing a team and finding leads. It says here, imagine if you could automate it all: lead generation, follow-ups, onboarding, and even team training, all with cutting-edge AI. Say hello to Sparky AI and the Automated Duplication System, your secret weapon for effortless growth and success in network marketing. So that is in a nutshell. And then here you can see some of the things that Sparky AI does for you. It generates unlimited leads, and then it follows up with those leads, because as they always say, the fortune is in the follow-up. But that's where a lot of us get hung up, and it gets difficult to continue following up. And he just keeps following up. He will email, call, message them, all the things, and just continue to follow up with them. Also, Sparky AI helps with onboarding new members into your team, guides them through training materials and getting them up to speed quickly. And then you can expand into additional multiple income streams. And that's what I'm really excited about. So what I wanted to do is just go into the dashboard here, and I'm not going to show you everything, obviously, but here, once you can set up a free account, you don't have to put a credit card or anything in just to get started. But once you set up here, you'll see this getting started, and then it'll walk you through in the dashboard and go over one of the more recent webinars that we had last week will be here, and you can watch that and learn all about it. And then it also has an overview of the compensation plan. So you can download this, you can take a look at it. The compensation plan, there is a monthly membership for the paid plans, and I'll show those here in a moment. But so that's monthly residual. For people that sign up under you on a paid plan, you will make a 25%, yes, commission. And that's every month, regularly, that you're going to get that. Then they also have one-time commissions, and that's on the ad co-op packages. And that is, again, 25% commission. Okay, so then you can go to the My Membership. Now, as I mentioned, there are a few different options when it comes to the membership. I'll blow this up just a little bit more again so you can see that. There we go. Now, like I said, you can get started for free just to at least get in there, getting started. With the free membership, you get a personal member dashboard, which I was just showing you there a minute ago, where you can manage everything in one place. You get unlimited Sparky AI follow-ups for self-generated leads, ability to connect up to 2 companies you are promoting, and then you can connect to the core companies integrated into your dashboard. And I'll share that with you for a minute. So completely free just to get started. But going back here, and here's why you want to get onto a paid membership plan. So they start with the Plus plan, and this is $50 a month. But once you are MSI certified, so MSI short for multiple streams of income companies. So the companies that are integrated in the system, as long as you enroll with each of them, then your monthly membership cost will go down. So with the Plus plan, which is $50, that will go down to $20 monthly. So this is basically like your starter plan. But the the plan that I'm on and that those of my team members are on for the most part are on the Pro plan. And with this one, it is $100 a month, but as long as you are MSI certified, then that will go down to $50 monthly. Now it is $50 for the first month. That is the special that they run. And then as long as you get plugged into the income streams, then you will get that cost down to $50 a month. And with that, the first month, you're going to get 150 leads, right? With the starter plan here, the Plus plan, that is 25 leads. So that's a huge difference. And for just $50 a month, that's like an incredible deal. But then on top of that, you're going to get an assurance plan. So basically, with this assurance plan, by the end of 90 days, they will make sure that you are in profit. So let's say you're paying the $50 a month, right? So you're going to at least make more than what you have put in by the end of the 90 days. And if for some reason you haven't, then they will keep working those leads until you do. So it's an amazing system, and they really thought of everything. Another thing with the free plan, you're not commission qualified. You have to at least be on the starter plan to get commission qualified. And so that's pretty much an overview. And then the elite plan is the highest plan, and that is $250 per month. But again, if you're MSI certified, then that is only going to be $200 monthly. And with that, your first month special, it's going to be 750 leads. That is insane. And then monthly after that, you will continue to get 500 leads. All right. And then those leads will come into your dashboard. I won't show that to you because it has emails, phone numbers of leads. But Sparky, our little friend here, Sparky AI, he is going to do all the follow-up for you on those leads. And he's going to make that first contact. He's going to follow up with them and then just keep that conversation going. So I'm just going to close that tab out. And it's amazing. And you can choose to reach out to them personally if you like, but I just let Sparky do his job and I'm happy with that. All right, so moving on, just briefly, here are the income streams. And what I love about this is you can plug into 3 additional income streams. And they have 3 companies as of today, with more coming, that you can plug into. So if what you would do is you would sign up with each of these companies. Now, I was already with Live Good. So all I had to do was come in here, plug in my username, and then it will have my affiliate link. So then when someone signs up under me, they will sign up under my affiliate link. And then all I had to do was sign up with the other 2 companies, Reach Solar, which is one of them. And there's no cost for that one. And then the other one is Savings Highway Global. So I signed up with each of those. Now, each company is either going to be free or it's going to have a low cost membership. Now, with Live Good, it's a $40 one-time fee to become an affiliate, and then it's $9.95 a month after that. With Savings Highway Global, it starts at $20 a month, and then Reach Solar, as I mentioned, is $0. And then they're going to be adding 3 additional companies this week. I don't know what they are yet. And there's going to be more coming. So this is just an amazing system because you plug into all these systems. And then when someone enrolls with you, then they're also going to sign up with these companies and fall into your downline. That's why it's called a downline builder. So it's just amazing. I'm seeing my teams grow already, and I just love the way everything has been set up for us. Now, I didn't get to the ad packs yet, so I'll just briefly talk about those. Now, the ad packs, what I love about these is that they really put rocket fuel into your team building efforts, because it's one thing to get the leads, and then it's another thing to have these leads converting and have some kind of assurance that within a certain amount of time you'll have a certain number of affiliates in your team. This is blows my mind. So how this works is you would get they have different packs. It starts from a bronze pack, goes to copper, goes to silver, and they each have a different number of how many paid affiliates you'll have, basically across all your income streams. And then it'll give a time frame of when that will be fulfilled. So with the bronze pack, it's 300. By the end of those 2 months, then you will have an assured team of 60. Right now, they're having a promotion, and so it's double what it would normally be. Right now, it is at 60 with the bronze pack. All right. And of course, I can't say there's always a disclaimer, right? There's no guarantee of income, and this video is for educational purposes. But they do have this assurance plan in place. So if by the end of those 2 months, these numbers that you signed up for and paid for have not been fulfilled, they will keep working until those are at no cost to you. All right. So that's as good as it gets. I've done advertising. I've done Facebook ads. Sorry if you hear my little dog hacking in the background, but you just don't get assurances like that. With the copper pack, which is $900, that again, that's going to go up to 190 paid affiliates. Okay. And then that's going to be fulfilled in 4 months with a monthly residual of $950. And then it goes up to the silver pack. This is what I started with. And it has a team build within 5 months of 400 paid affiliates and monthly residual of $2,000. And then the gold pack, which I decided to upgrade to this because once you get to the gold pack, there is a bonus pool that you can be qualified for. And once they hit, I think it's 20K members, they're going to open those bonus pools up, and that's going to open up even more opportunities to earn. And with all of these, there are payment options. They have financing, there's like Affirm, Klarna, Pay. So that they make it very easy to get started with these. And this is optional, of course, but I highly recommend it because this is going to help you grow faster, right? That's the name of the game for me. I'm going to keep upgrading with upgrading to a higher package. And what you can do, like if you want to upgrade from silver to gold, you can do that by just paying the difference as long as this hasn't been fulfilled yet. So that's what I'm doing as soon as you're able to. And these packages, they start at 300, right? They start at very reasonable budget, and they go all the way up to the executive pack, which is 110K. So they have packs for pretty much every budget, and they each have the number of affiliates keeps going up, but then the fulfillment time goes longer. All right. So the higher your package, the longer it's going to take to fulfill that. But then you have those assurances in place, and that's pretty amazing. So I'm pretty excited about this. And, what I'll do is I'll leave this link down below for you. It's only a 3-minute video. Sign up for your free trial. And then you will have access to a dashboard like this. And then what you'll want to do is set up an onboarding call or set up a call with our call center. We have an amazing call center, live people, right? It's not just all robots. And they'll help you get started. They'll answer any questions you have. If you want to decide on which plan you want to get started with, they can help you decide that. and basically just start from there. We're just getting started. They're just coming out of the founders phase, and they've got 3 income streams right now, getting ready to add 3 more this month. I think actually 4, but yeah. So we are just getting started. All right, let me know if you have any questions, but I'll leave that link down below for you to at least check it out. And yeah, I hope to see you inside, and be sure to this video if you found it to be useful. Be sure to subscribe to see updates as I add more videos that will probably be coming, with updates on Sparky AI and Live Good and any other tutorials I may decide to share with you. All right, you have an awesome day, and see you next time.